Hi besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new, happy Vlogmas. Today, as you guys might have read from the title down below, I thought it would be fun to share a get ready with me. I already did my makeup, so you guys are going to see that very soon, but this is the look that I'm sharing with you guys. Later today, John and I and Burrow are going to take a holiday family photo for our Christmas cards. I'm seriously so excited. I love sending out holiday cards to all our friends and family. I thought it'd be a perfect time to share a holiday get ready with me, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, definitely hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and let's just roll into the get ready with me. Alright, so we are starting off with a bare face. I did do my skincare routine earlier this morning, so I moisturized and everything, but I love starting off with this Pixi Flawless Primer. It is so nice. I feel like it kind of gives a glowy look underneath a matte foundation. And it's just kind of like a moisturizer, but I just kind of put it on my cheeks, my chin, and my forehead. Now, I do think this helps like make your pores look smaller. I know that sounds silly, but it kind of makes your makeup go on your face better, like it applies. Again, I am definitely not a makeup guru, but I forgot. I'm going to put my Verse headband on. This has a little bit of makeup on it, but we need it to hold back the hair. We are going to start off with my Fit Me foundation. Now this is the matte and poreless foundation, and I wear shade 120 Classic Ivory. I love this especially during the winter months because I am a little less tan. And I'm going to be applying it with a damp beauty blender. So I just kind of pour it on here. I've seen a lot of other people apply the makeup straight to their face and then dab it with a beauty blender. This is just how I do it. And especially for taking pictures and filming YouTube videos, I love a matte finish. But if I'm not taking photos or filming videos, I do like a more dewy finish or glowy. But I feel like for photos and videos, it's just really helpful for on camera. And so then I'm going to go in with my Fit Me concealer. And I got this in the shade, I want to say Ivory. And this one is really light, but it's been nice for the holidays and like the winter season. But I probably need to buy some more soon. And I just kind of put like a glob right here and like this and a little bit on my eyelid. And then on any blemishes that I might have. So I have like a little one right here and right here. I do like to get right around here and on my chin. And I get a little bit of a dry patch right there. I don't know if that's TMI, but so my skin gets a little bit more red. And I just like to conceal that up. And I'm going to go in with my beauty blender as well and dab this out. Following that, since I do a liquid foundation and concealer, I like to do all the cream and liquid products first, and then I'm going to switch over to powders. So I'm going to be applying this Pixi On The Glow blush, and this is in the shade Juicy. I typically during the holidays would do the red one, but I've been loving this orange shade, and I feel like it's so complimentary, so I'm going to stick to this even though I have a red sweater on. And I just kind of apply at a generous amount. I know this looks crazy, but it blends out onto my cheekbones and the apples on my cheek. And I honestly like to get a little bit onto my nose. Again, it looks kind of silly, but I feel like when you put it on your nose, you kind of get that like, oh, it's cold outside. So, and I'm going to be using Expert Face Brush. That's what it's called. It's by Real Techniques, and I like to use this for my cream blushes. I do feel like I have a little bit more on the side than the side, so I'm going to just put a little bit more on. I like it. I know it's a very like splashy blush and a lot, but I feel like it just adds some color, especially during the winter months. Now I am going to be applying my liquid highlight as well, and this is from Doll 10. It's H2 Glow. It's one of my favorite cream highlights, and a little bit goes a long way. So honestly, if this is all I wanted to do, I think it looks so cute. But we are going to go in with this Pixi Contour palette, and I kind of do a mixture of these three, and I'm also going to put some of this lighter color under my under eyes to set it. So with that, I'm going to be using this tiny setting brush from Real Techniques in this color. It's going to go like this. And I just feel like it helps when you wear your makeup all day, kind of like stays on, pats it in there. And then I'm also going to do the same for my eyelids. Now, I don't really like to wear eyeshadow, but that's just a personal preference. That said, I'm going to set a little bit above my eyebrow into my forehead and my chin. So now we are going to go in with the sculpting brush. I believe that's what it's called. Yep, sculpting brush by Real Techniques. And I'm going to be using a combination of these 3 colors. I just kind of dab into each one and then dab the extra. And we're going to do a light contour. I also like to go by, so I don't put any eyeshadow on, but I'll do like a little upswing on the end of my eye. That was a lot. And I do feel like it adds a little bit more color, like I was saying the blush does to your face. And I'm also going to add a little bit on my nose, like just on the sides. So that is what I'm going to be using this palette for. We're going to close it up. And I'm going to be taking this big fluffy brush and just kind of smudging it all together. Then we're going to be using this gorgeous palette by Jill Stewart with a blush brush. And I love this because it's got a little bit of highlight and those orangey blushes that we've been using. Just to add us some color. I think this is so pretty. Okay, so that is all for my face makeup. I'm going to close up my makeup drawer. I'm using this brow gel from Maybelline to slick back my eyebrows. And I feel like this gives a lot of shape to your face and just kind of makes your eyes look brighter, bigger. I love it. And I also like having like thicker eyebrows. The next thing I'm going to do is curl my eyelashes, and I think this eyelash color is just from Revlon. And now I'm going to go in with the Flash Cat Eye L'Oreal eyeliner, and this is like a liquid eyeliner pen, and I'm just going to draw a very subtle line on the top of my eyelid, and I feel like this really makes my eyes pop in photos and in videos, so I'm going to do that really quickly. Oh my gosh, doesn't that make such a difference? I'm so bad at doing this on camera because I'm like, oh my gosh, but I don't even use what this is extra. I just really like this pen. So now we're going to go in with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Primer, and I think this is in the shade Pink, and it's just a pink white mascara basically, but it's a primer and it helps your mascara stick to your eyelashes a little bit better, and it looks so funny in my opinion on because it turns your eyelashes white. Doesn't that look funny? A primer on my eyelashes, and now we're going to go in with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is my favorite mascara of all time. It is the same applique brush and it just goes on so well. So I'm going to put it on and I'll show you guys how well it looks. So this is the little before, and that is with 2 coats on each eye. Doesn't it look so good? And now we are going to go in with the Maybelline Sky High mascara and do my under lashes. And you guys, it looks so good. I feel like it just pops for photos, and I like to keep my under lashes, I don't know, I think that's what they're called, super simple. And that is all of the makeup. We're gonna put some red lip on just to make it extra fun. So I have this red lip by Katie, I believe it's Maybelline, and it's very, let's just say a little bit goes a long way. Then I'm going to go in with my Jill Stewart red lip, and this is kind of more of a like I don't know, like a lip balm, and I just feel like this is such a pretty color combo. I feel like it looks really good with the blush. And now let's take my headband out. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so great for our holiday cards. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup get ready with me step-by-step tutorial. Super simple, very affordable makeup as well. I think it's mostly drugstore products. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously the best. I love you so much. If you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. And I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love chit-chatting with you guys, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with another Vlogmas vlog. Bye besties!